Power, style, and exclusivity define a true muscle car, and few vehicles have embodied these qualities better than the 1967 Mercury Cougar GT. Positioned as a more refined alternative to the Ford Mustang, this model was designed to offer both high performance and luxury, setting itself apart in the golden era of American muscle cars. With its aggressive styling and powerful engine options, the 1967 Cougar GT remains one of the most admired classic cars, continuing to captivate enthusiasts and collectors alike. Unveiled as Mercury's first pony car, the Cougar was built on the same platform as the Mustang, but featured a longer wheelbase and a more upscale design. The 1967 model year marked its debut, and it was instantly recognized for its hidden headlights, sleek body lines, and signature sequential turn signals. Unlike its Ford counterpart, the Cougar was crafted to provide a more sophisticated driving experience. Blending power with elegance, the GT package was introduced for those seeking a true performance machine, making the Cougar a formidable presence on the road. Beneath the hood, the GT variant was powered by a 390 cubic inch 6.4L V8 engine, delivering 320 horsepower and 427 lb-ft of torque. This engine was paired with either a 4-speed manual transmission or a 3-speed automatic, allowing drivers to harness its raw power with precision. A performance-tuned suspension system and upgraded brakes ensured that handling and stopping power matched the muscle under the hood. These enhancements transformed the Cougar GT into a serious contender in the muscle car arena. Inside, the cabin was designed to offer comfort and sophistication, setting it apart from many of its competitors. Premium materials, including wood grain accents and high-quality upholstery, created an upscale atmosphere. Bucket seats and a center console gave it a sporty yet refined feel, while available options such as air conditioning, power windows, and an AM/FM radio provided a touch of luxury. The dashboard layout was intuitive, featuring full instrumentation that allowed drivers to monitor performance with ease. In today's collector market, the 1967 Mercury Cougar GT remains highly sought after. Prices can range from $25,000 for well-maintained models to over $75,000 for pristine, fully restored examples. Its rarity, combined with its unique blend of power and elegance, has ensured its status as a timeless classic. Decades later, the 1967 Cougar GT continues to be a symbol of Mercury's ambition to create a high-performance muscle car with an extra layer of sophistication. Its distinctive styling, formidable engine, and luxury touches make it a true icon of the American automotive industry.